Hey guys, for this video we're going to install the Rough Country throttle body spacer on my Jeep Gladiator. Now this fits Jeep Gladiators, will fit Jeep Wranglers, 3.6 liter engines, and it'll fit. So just a little piece of aluminum here that bolts on, a quick and easy mod that's really pretty popular. You also get the gasket and you get the hardware that you'll need, which consists of 4 bolts and 4 washers. The throttle body spacer is a lot like a carb spacer if you've ever dealt with an older engine with a carburetor. Same principle. This thing is supposed to give you better gas mileage and it's supposed to give you more power. And if you look at reviews, you'll see people all over the map on these things, to incredible gains to I can't tell the difference. And the truth is probably somewhere in the middle. Maybe a little over here, but somewhere in the middle. But, you know, easy to do and it'll look nice, so why not give it a try? Let's go install it. Out here at the Jeep, and all we have to do is take out these 4 bolts around the perimeter, and that's an 8mm. Got one of the bolts out and just wanted to show you that the new bolts that Rough Country gives you are longer, so make sure you're using those new bolts. Now you'll have to take your band clamp off of the intake tube right here. Mine's an aftermarket one, but yours will look pretty similar. If you can't back it out enough, there's 2 bolts here and here that you can take out. Those are 10mm to back this all up. Well, there we go. All set up. Button back up in place. I'll give it a start. Make sure we didn't break anything. Shouldn't have. That was kind of easy, but hey, you never know. I think the remote start doesn't work when the hood's open. Let's go drive a little bit. Well, there it is. I don't know if you could hear it on the camera, but at the higher RPMs, had a little whistle sound. Only time will tell if the gas mileage gets any better than 17.6. I wouldn't mind if it got a little bit better. Thanks for watching.